Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Augusta and I make videos on all things beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If that's something that you're interested in, I do recommend that you subscribe to this channel and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload. As you guys can see, I have a rather large box in front of me. I went shopping on SHEIN.com in the beginning of October. I must have gone a little bit crazy because this box is massive. I did not expect this box to turn up to my house. So clearly I must have gone on one of my champagne shopping sprees again. That's where I have a few glasses of bubbly and then I go online shopping. The last time I did that, I did a video for Instagram. So if you want to see that here on YouTube, tell me in the comments below and we'll see what we can do about that. I have no idea what's in this box. This box is a mystery to me, but that's what I love about online shopping. The items take a while to get to me, and in the meantime, I forget what I put in my basket. So when things turn up to me, I'm always surprised. There's absolutely nothing more for me to say. I bet that you're just as curious as I am to see what's in this box, so let's get it open. I can't tell you guys how excited I am for this because I've waited since last night to open this damn box up. They really packaged it good now. Okay, yeah. Oh my god. I'm really sorry if things are changing a lot in the screen, like the lighting and the setup. I just have a huge window next to me and the clouds are coming and going and it's sunny outside and then it's not. It's a struggle with the lighting. But we have the box open and now we can have a look on what I got. First up, we have a beanie. Oh yeah, oh my god, it's so cute. It's like a knit beanie, but it also has fluff on the inside. So that's gonna be really warm in the winter. So cute. Next up we have... So we have this knitted jumper. It's really soft. This is nice, I like this. I got this in the size large. It doesn't feel cheap like some of the jumpers that I've gotten from SHEIN before. Ooh, I know what this is. I know exactly what this is and I'm so excited about it. So we have this skirt. It's like a Burberry kind of style, which I love. This one is in the size 0XL from SHEIN Curve. The material is really thin. Beware of that. However, the style is so cute. I've got my eye on you. Aha. I can already feel that this is very thin, cheap material. This is like a little summer dress. I really like the style of it, but I think I must have had a very good body confidence kind of a day because this is in a size small. I'm not a size small. I think I might have to wear this as a top for a few months until I give it away or sell it or something. Okay, now we have another knitted top. This is a cardigan though, so it's open in the front. It doesn't have any buttons, which I'm fine with, but this material is much thinner than the other one. Also, I got this one in the size small, which, you know, is way too small for me. But the last time I bought anything from SHEIN, everything was really big on me. And I like my clothes to be a little bit tight rather than baggy. Also, because it's open and you don't have to have it closed, I think it's gonna be fine. Hopefully. One thing that's catching my eye is this right here. It's a hat and it seems big. Oh my god, you can adjust it on the inside, which is really cool. I don't know why. Everyone used to wear these like 2 years ago and now I'm just like, I like them now. I'm not really sure that hats suit me though. Oh, choo choo. Okay, so we have a purse now. Oh yeah, it's got the straps on the inside. I really like this purse. I really need more accessories in my life. It's only got one compartment on the inside, but I'm fine with that. Here we have some belts. I thought they would be bigger for some reason. I didn't think they would be this thin. I don't have anything more to say. It's belts. I also got some stud earrings. Yeah, I must have really wanted to look nice. Some more stud earrings. These are really nice actually. These look very elegant, very presentable. Ooh, Ooh, this is a belt. I think it's not gonna fit me because, you know, your girl is a bit bigger. It kind of reminds me of Versace. Because it's got this lion on the front. I remember in the 2000s when chains on jeans and chain belts were really in. So this really is taking me back. Up next is something that looks like a shirt, which I'm not really trusting. When I buy shirts, it has to be tried on before I buy it. So I'm a little bit nervous about this. It's a size small again. What am I thinking? I must have been really confident in myself when I was ordering this. Just like, yeah, skinny. It's a very long one. Oh, it has a belt. So it's like a shirt dress. Okay, I'm actually really excited about this. But it is a size small, so I doubt that I will fit into it. But we'll see. We'll have a try on. Okay. Oh, what is this? Oh, I remember putting this in my basket and this is not it. This was in the section coats and jackets, but it's extremely thin material. Like, this is not a coat. This is barely a top in the style of a coat. This will not keep you warm. Just so you know, like, don't buy this if you want a coat because this is not a coat. I guess I could use it as a dress. It's also in the size small. What the hell? What am I doing? Yeah, I'm not happy with this. Oh no, we have a very lovely top. I can see that it's not my size. Drunk me is very skinny. It's a size extra small. I don't know what the heck. I must have been like really on the champagne. This is not gonna fit me whatsoever. This try on is gonna be hilarious. Please, something fit me in this. I bet you everything that this will fit me. Another beanie, I'm really happy with that. It's in my size and everything. Okay. I really like this. My camera cut off, but like I was saying, I really like this top. It's a size medium, so it might work for me depending on how the waist stretches. I managed to open another bag without you guys when the camera cut off. So here we have a lovely blazer. Like, this is something that I'd expect that houndstooth coat to be made from. Like, this is thin, but it's not that thin. I am so excited about this because this looks so beautiful. The buttons are gold and have some sort of a shield on them, and the material feels really nice. This is size medium, so this might work for me. I'm really weird in that way. Normal stores find me too big for their sizing, and plus size stores, their clothes are just way too big for me. So I'm kind of in that mid-size range, although people that are mid-size would call me plus size, but plus size people find me a bit too small to be a plus size. Next up, we have... Ooh, I don't know about this. These are weird felt trousers. I'm not joking, they're made from felt. I've always had really bad luck with trousers and jeans from SHEIN. The waist is always really big and then the calves are so tight. I'm not really looking forward to this. This looks to be way too small. Also, they feel like they would be really hot. All right, let's move on. Oh. So I, in the past, must have thought to myself, that houndstooth jacket or coat that I just put in my basket, that's not enough. That's probably some crap that I don't want. So I'm gonna get another one. And I did. This looks so much better. It's a little bit thicker. It's kind of like the blazer. I wouldn't say this was a winter coat. I think this is more of a, I might step out into the car coat. It looks really nice and I'm really excited to try this one. And it's in the size large. I might fit in this. Thank you, past me, for thinking for once. Here we have a snake skin skirt. I love skirts. If you haven't noticed, I love them. This looks really nice. It's very thin material. I don't mind that with skirts because I'm gonna wear stockings or like tights anyway. This looks like it might fit me. What size is this? Yeah, it's a 0XL, so this might fit. I think we're on to the last few bits. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm gonna keep that. Oh, no. Oh, honey, I don't know about that. Clip-in hair extensions. I think they were like $10. Like, they cost nothing. As you can see, they are extremely thin. The color is not too bad. They feel soft and smooth, but they're really thin. It would look really natural and nice because there's not too much bulk. Or it could look like I'm a scarecrow with some straw sticking out of my head. So scared about that. Next one. A teddy coat. Just seeing what size this is, and it's a small. Ugh. Maybe I shouldn't get drunk and shop. We're on to the last few items, you guys. Oh, this is the last piece of clothing that I'm gonna show you, and I'm really excited about this one. Hello. It's kind of like a teddy coat, but fur at the same time. Ugh. It's an extra small, but it has that cow print that's really in right now. And I love it. It's so beautiful. Oh, it's so soft as well. Like with the teddy coat, I'm really hoping that I can still wear it, but just have it open. This is the last bit. I'm always really scared to buy boots and shoes online because my feet are a regular size. They're just a size 38 in the European sizes, but my calves are really strong and really big. Anything that goes around the calf is really tight, but I decided to try it out just because it was pretty cheap. So, oh, they're pretty. Oh, they look tight. These are gorgeous. Like, they're absolutely beautiful. I can already see that the calves are a little bit too tight for me.
Okay, guys, please don't listen to me. These are not too tight. Yes, they are a little bit tight here on the top, but they are absolutely amazing. They have a tiny bit of give at the top, so it's easy for people with bigger calves to wear them. I'm considering buying them in black as well. These are my favorite from this haul. Absolutely love them, adore them. You have to get them as well. This is amazing.
All right, everybody, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm not so sure that I did. I think I'm gonna learn from this because it's not really fun buying something that doesn't fit on your body. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And also let me know in the comments what item was your favorite. I think I just have to not shop when I'm drunk. I really hope that you join me next week in another video. Until then, bye!